Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Now I've made several chicken recipes. Today I'm going to share a lovely Maharashtrian style chicken curry. For the ginger, garlic and coriander paste, I've taken about 10 cloves of garlic. Next I'm adding 2 large pieces of ginger chopped, 1 cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves. So you don't have to grind it to a very nice fine masala. I've ground it without adding any water. The ginger, garlic and coriander paste is done. Keep this aside. Now we're going to make a masala paste. For this, heat a pan. I'm going to roast all the ingredients one by one, starting with 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Roast the coriander seeds till they're a nice golden brown color. Remove it and keep it aside. Next, add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, a few peppercorns, 3 cloves, 2 cardamom, 2 thin pieces of cinnamon and 1 bay leaf. So next I'm going to roast the red chillies. I've taken 5 regular chillies and 6 Kashmiri Red Chillis. Roast the red chillies for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once they are roasted, remove them from the pan and keep it aside. Next I'm adding half cup of dry coconut, that is a copra. So if you don't have dry coconut, you can use fresh coconut, but ideally for the recipe, dry coconut would be a better choice. So once the coconut is roasted to a nice golden brown color, turn off the stove and keep it aside. Next, add about 2 teaspoons of oil to the pan. Add 1 medium sized onion thinly sliced. Saute it till you get a nice golden brown color. Remove the onions from the pan and keep it aside. Now transfer all the roasted ingredients to a mixer jar. Grind it to a nice fine powder. Next, add the roasted grated coconut. Finally, add the roasted onions and grind everything to a nice fine paste. So you can see I have not added any water. Remove the masala paste and keep it aside. Once we've made the main masala paste, we're going to cook both the masalas together. Add about 3 teaspoons of oil to the pan, keeping 1 teaspoon of the ginger, garlic and coriander paste aside. Add the remaining paste to the pan and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add the other masala paste to the pan, mix both together and cook on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Turn off the stove. Remove the masala and keep it aside. Now we're going to make the chicken curry. Take a nice white pan or a kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, add a few whole spices, cinnamon, clove, cardamom and bay leaf. I'm adding 1 large onion, roughly chopped. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden color. Add 1 teaspoon of the ginger, garlic and coriander paste. Mix everything with the onions. After about a minute, add 3 green chilies slit. Next, add 4 medium-sized tomatoes grated. Saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. For this recipe, I've taken 1 kilo of chicken with bone. Add the chicken pieces. Mix everything well. Now add about half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything and cook for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, add about half cup of warm water. Close and cook the chicken for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the masala paste. Once you've added the masala paste, make sure you mix it well along with the chicken pieces. So you can see all the chicken pieces are coated with the masala. Now I'm going to add about 2 cups of hot water. Close and cook for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you can see the chicken has cooked beautifully. The oil has separated. You can check for seasoning, and if you need to add some salt, you can also add at this point. Turn off the stove so you can serve this delicious and flavorful Maharashtrian style chicken curry with some nice hot steamed rice. The chicken curry looks absolutely divine. The taste and the flavors are spot on. So make sure you follow all the steps to get it perfectly. And this is best enjoyed with some nice steamed rice by the side. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.